Hello everyone and welcome to English with Subodha. Today we are going to learn about something very important thing. It is English grammar fundamentals. So grab your pens and notebook and let's get started. Okay, first let's talk about word classes. There are 8 word classes. You can see nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, pronouns, prepositions, interjections. So, let's look at the first one, nouns. අපි nouns කියලා කියන්නේ සිංහලෙන් නාම පදවලට. The definition of the noun is these are the names of people, places or things. For example, your name. My name is Subodha. Sri Lanka, book, likewise. Then the second one is verbs. අපි කියනවා මේවට ක්‍රියාපද. These are action words. For example, run, eat, play. Number 3, adjectives. අපි කියන්නේ විශේෂණ පද කියලා. These describe nouns. අර අපි කලින් කතා කරපු නාම පද මේකෙදි අපි describe කරනවා මේ adjectives use කරලා. For example, beautiful, tall, good. Then the number 4, adverbs. අපි කියන්නේ උඩ ක්‍රියා විශේෂණ. These describe verbs. The examples are quickly, slowly, very. Number 5 is conjunctions. අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා සම්බන්ධක. These join sentences. We can join the two sentences by using these conjunctions. For example, and, but, because. Number 6 is pronouns. Sarvanama. These replace nouns. Examples are I, he, she, they. Number 7 is prepositions. අපි කියන්නේ සිංහලෙන් මේවට විභක්ති කියලා. These show position or time. Examples are in, on, under, near. Likewise. Number 8, interjections. Vismayadi bodhaka. These show emotions. For example, wow, oh, ouch. So, there are 8 classes. Can you remember all 8? Let's move on. Now, let's look more closely at verbs because verbs are the most important word class in English. දැන් අපි මෙතනදී verbs ගැන කතා කරනවා word classes 8න්. අපි step by steps මේ ඔක්කොම word classes කතා කරනවා video series එකකින්. But today we are going to discuss about verbs and the simple present tense. First, there have 3 types of verbs. First one is non-action verbs. ඒ කියන්නේ ක්‍රියා නොවන ක්‍රියාපද. These are the be verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, will be, shall be. These don't show action. මේකෙදි අපි ක්‍රියාවක් පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. They show a state or condition. For example, Kamal is a good friend. Then the second one is action verbs. These show physical or mental actions. මෙතනදී අපි action එකක් පෙන්නනවා. එතකොට there are 2 types of action verbs. First one is regular and the second one is irregular. Now මෙන්න තියෙනවා regular කියන්නේ අපි මෙතනදී regular කියන්නේ එක කිසියම් රටාවකට යන දෙයක්. හැම verb එකක්ම. For example, work නම් worked වෙනවා අපි add කරනවාකට ed. Then the irregular කියන්නේ සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම word එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. Past tense වලට යද්දි සහ past participle වලට යද්දි. Go, went. For example, they play cricket. Then the third one is modal verbs. අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ ආකාරික ක්‍රියා. These show possibility, ability or permission. For example, can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. For example, she can speak English. එතකොට she වලට පස්සේ අපි can කියන modal verb එක use කරලා තියෙනවා. Remember three types of verbs: non-action, action, and modal verbs. Okay. Now let's study the be verb in detail. Present tense ඒ කියන්නේ දැනට සිදුවන දේ. I am a student. You, we, they ආවොත් අපි කියලා දානවා. They are good friends. මොකද you, we, they කියන්නේ plural. He, she, it. For example, she is beautiful. Then the past tense වලට අපි ගියොත් කලින් සිදු වූ දේවල්. I, he, she, it වගේ ඒවට අපි was දානවා. He was a teacher. You, we, they ඒ කියන්නේ මම කලින් plural වගේ දේවල් නම් they were good friends. Future tense. This is the easy. All subjects. අපි මේ හැම subject එකටම will be or shall be දානවා. They will be good friends. Very important. Repeat after me. I am, you are, he is, she is, they are. I was, they were, he will be. Perfect. Okay. Then the negative forms. Now let's make these sentences in negative. අපි කොහොමද negative කරන්නේ මේවා? Very simple. Just add not. Am not. I am not a doctor. Is not, isn't. She isn't here. Are not. Aren't. Aren't is the short form. They aren't ready. Was not. Wasn't. He wasn't happy. Were not, weren't. They weren't good. Will be, will not be, won't. She won't be late. අනේ එතනදී වෙනසක් සිද්ධ වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ will not be කියන එක අපි won't කියලා තමයි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලදී අපි කියන්නේ. Shall be, shall not be අර won't වගේ shan't. Short forms ඒ කියන්නේ අර contraction කියනවා අපි ඒවට. Isn't, aren't, wasn't, weren't, won't. These are very common in spoken English. Let's practice. Repeat after me. She isn't a doctor. They aren't my friends. He wasn't at school. Great job. Now, let's learn have, has, had. have කියන්නේ තිබෙනවා. කියන්නේ අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ සතුව ඇත කියන එක. එතකොට present tense වලදී අපි I, you, we, they මේ වෙලදී අපි have කියලා දානවා. I have a car. He, she, it has. She has a phone. අපි ඒකේ past tense වලට ගියොත් all subjects වලදී අපි had use කරනවා. He had a car. They had a house. එයාට නිවසක් තිබුණා කියන එක තමයි සිංහල අර්ථය. Negative forms වලට ගියොත් I, you, we, they කියන්නේ අපි එතනදී don't have තමයි දාන්නේ. I don't have a car. He, she, it doesn't have. She doesn't have a phone. Past negative වලදී අපි didn't have දානවා. He didn't have money. Now I will tell about something very important thing. This is very common mistake Sri Lankans make. I am having a car. No, it's truly wrong. I have a car. Remember, never say I am having for possession. Always say I have. Repeat. I have a car. She has a phone. He had a book. Likewise. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි I am having a car කියන එක අපි දාන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ යොදන්නේ නැහැ, use කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපි හැමදෙස්සම I have a car කියලා තමයි අපි කියන්නේ. Then tenses overview. Excellent. Now let's look at the tenses overview. English tenses, there have 4 types of tenses. Number 1, simple tense. There are 3 categories: present, past, and future. All 3 exist. Number 2, continuous tense. ඒ කියන්නේ ongoing actions. සිදු වෙමින් පවතින දේවල්. Present, past, future. All 3 exist. Number 3, perfect tense. Completed actions. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි දැනටමත්ම කරලා තියෙන දේවල් සඳහා තමයි අපි මේ use කරන්නේ perfect tense. එතකොට all 3 exist. Number 4, perfect continuous tense. Present, past, future. Future doesn't not exist. So remember, future perfect continuous does not exist in English. Today we are focusing on simple present tense, the most important one for beginners. Okay, let's study simple present tense. අපි කියන්නේ වර්තමාන කාලය කියලා. There have a formula, subject plus verb, he, she, it. Then we add SOES to the verb. We use simple present for 5 situations. First one is regular actions. නිතර සිදුවන දේවල්. කියන්නේ example එකක් විදිහට ගත්තොත් I brush my teeth every day. අපි ඒක daily කරන දෙයක් නේ. Second one, habitual actions. අපි habit එකක් විදිහට අපි කියන්නේ පුරුද්දක් විදිහට කරන දේවල්. For example, she plays cricket every weekend. Then the third one, general truths. සත්‍ය කරුණු. For example, the sun rises in east. ඒක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. Permanent facts. ස්ථීර කරුණු. For example, I live in Koswatta. News headlines. President visits Sri Lanka. තොර ඒ වගේ දේවල් වලදී අපි simple present tense use කරනවා. Repeat after me. They play cricket. He plays cricket. She catches balls. Nimal cleans the bedroom. Well done. Then, sentences types for simple present. Today we are focusing on simple present tense. Now, very important, let's learn the 4 types of sentences in simple present. Using the example, they play cricket. Positive sentence එකක්. It is a positive sentence. Then I can give you another example. He plays cricket. Then the negative sentence, they do not play cricket. Or we can use the shorter form, they don't play cricket. He does not play cricket. He doesn't play cricket. Then the type 3, yes, no question. අපි questions අහද්දී මෙතනදී ඔයගලන්ට මම විශේෂ දෙයක් ස්පෙෂල් දෙයක් කියන්නම්. පොඩි මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන් ටිප් එකක් විදිහට questions අහද්දී play කියන verb එක ඇතුලේ do කියන එක තියෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට question එකක් හදද්දී do they play cricket කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Does he play cricket? Type 4 tag question. This is special. Positive sentence plus negative tag. Then the negative sentence plus positive tag. They play cricket, don't they? They play cricket, don't they? Negative sentence plus positive tag. He doesn't play cricket, does he? Repeat after me. They play cricket, don't they? He plays cricket, doesn't he? Nimal cleans the bedroom, doesn't he? Excellent. Now, this is our practice time. Pause the video and try these 3 questions yourself. Ready? Let's check the answers. Question 1. Correct the sentence. They do not collect stamps. They do not collect stamps. They don't collect stamps. Then always write it as 2 words or use the construction don't. Do not is wrong. Question 2. Make a tag question. They collect stamps. They collect stamps, don't they? Remember the formula. Positive sentence plus negative tag. Then the answer is they collect stamps, don't they? Fill in the blank. This is easy. He plays cricket. Okay. And that's it for today's lesson. ඔයාලට useful වුණා කියලා මම හිතනවා. Did you find this helpful? Today we learned 8 word classes. Types of verbs, be verb, am is are, have has had, and tenses over being. Then the simple present tense and 4 sentences types. That's a lot of English in one video. You should be proud of yourself. If you learned something today, please give the video a big like. Subscribe to English with Subodha for weekly lessons. Comment below which part was most helpful for you. Next video, we will learn past tense in detail. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.